I sent this stuffed animal storage cage to check out for you, so let's build it and check it out together. So it comes in this cinch bag, and it's all separated out like this. You can see the bungee cords are even in here, right here. And the instructions are bubble wrapped in here with these little elbows. So as you can see, it comes in all these little plastic pipes and pieces. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this together. Here it is all put together. This thing is so tall. It's gonna hold so many stuffed animals. It's just gonna hold the animals in with this elastic band. The bands were a little bit loose. What's nice about this is if you need them a little bit tighter, you can just rotate this and wrap that elastic up to make these bands a lot tighter. I have a giant tote of stuffed animals in this closet behind me, so I'm so excited to put them in here and see how much this guy can hold. Most of our stuffed animals are this size or smaller, so they do fit in here, but those smaller ones will fall out pretty easily. The other thing is it has this for the bottom, so you can attach it to the bottom and they're not going to fall out when you move it. It is intertwined on the bottom though, so it shouldn't fall out when I move it anyway. So I can pick it up and move it, and those stuffed animals are going to stay in there. I'm actually super surprised with how much that this can hold, because this is actually most of our stuffed animals and it always feels like a lot. But if you had one of those giant teddy bears, you know, that everybody was getting one year, that guy would even fit in here with room for more stuffed animals. So that is awesome. Overall, I love this. I think it's a great storage solution for stuffed animals, and my kids are gonna love it too because they can use it as a zoo, pull their animals out easily when they see one that they want to play with. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.